Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys in this video about how the differences are between the MacBook Pro with the butterfly keys and the scissor keys. So in 2016, they introduced the butterfly keys to the MacBook Pro lineup. I guess the goal was that they wanted to have less travel so that they can make a thinner laptop, but also to provide a different mechanism for better or worse. They've kept up with it until through 2020, until the most recent MacBook lineup, which is 2021, which I just got. But with that video, I was able to notice that there's a big difference in the travel of the new keyboard. So that's pretty much what I'm going to talk about today. The new keyboard reintroduces the scissor type keyboard, which is what you traditionally get with every other keyboard. So the keyboard here is different. You can tell that there's definitely a lot more movement. And it's got a good sound to it too when you're typing. For instance, because there's more room down there, things that get stuck doesn't make a big deal. I never had an issue with the butterfly keyboard. My only complaint was that there was very little travel, and so it was just never fun to type on and never great to work with, and so I never really liked to use the laptop. But with the new one, I'm carrying it everywhere. I know it's a new toy, so it's a little different, so hopefully this video will help you guys get an understanding. I'll be taking 2 typing tests on each laptop, and I'll show you the results there. Obviously, it's not very scientific. The sample size is too low, but overall, I did feel much better typing on the keyboard with the MacBook Pro 14-inch. So I figured I'd give you guys a demonstration on typing with the new keyboard. Hopefully it looks pretty good. So I'll do it maybe 2 or 3 times. So we're going into typingtest.com, easy text. Okay, we got 131 words per minute there. Let's see. So we're gonna try this again. This time I'm just gonna go ham. Click record, retake test. Okay, you got 151 per minute there. So I'm not really sure what's going on with this laptop. I can't capture the screen, so we're just gonna work with this. All right, let's do this. Got 137 words per minute. So, you know, somewhere in the average deviation. Try the test yourself at typingtest.com. Choose easy and see what you get. Thanks for watching, y'all.